dear brother, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, for undertaking the Middle East Green Initiative, the first ecosystem initiative of its kind in the Middle East region. This outstanding and wonderful endeavor is a landmark reminder of Your Highness's dynamic leadership on areas that are vital for human survival, regional rejuvenation, and a seed of much-needed hope for a world looking for a greener, more biodiverse future. I applaud your timely actions and leadership once again. Nature-based solutions are also at the heart of my country's ambitious climate action agenda under the Convention and the Paris Agreement. I am heartened by your active interest in nature-based initiatives like afforestation, which help countries build adaptive capacities, sequester greenhouse gas emissions, as well as avert and minimize loss and damage due to climate change at national and regional levels. Majesties, Highnesses and Excellencies, I must mention here that the objectives of the MGI are aligned with the objectives of Pakistan's National Forest Policy and the Green Pakistan program, which is focused on protecting, enhancing and managing our forest, wildlife and ecosystem by 2030. At this juncture, I would like to applaud the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for driving the Saudi Green Initiative. Pakistan has already extended full cooperation through exchange of knowledge and provision of experts. This is just the beginning. Pakistan expresses keen willingness to provide and cooperate with all MGI member countries in sharing experience and technical expertise related to the restoration of forests in dryland areas, mangroves, management of protected areas, carbon stock assessment and establishment of forest monitoring systems. The earth has been calling for action, but we, it seems, have decided to learn the hard way. An initiative like the MGI is one big step in the right direction. Pakistan is fully committed to the broader objectives of the initiative and looks forward to working in close collaboration with member states, not just limited to this initiative, but in every action needed to secure the planet against climate change impacts. I thank you all.
COP27 समिट के मौके पर सऊदी ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव इजलास से वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ जो हैं वो खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि माहौलियाती तब्दीली के असरात को कम करने की जरूरत है।